Welcome to JH. After noticing LuminoLiss frequently on social media, I visited their website and gave it a go. The brand promises professional-grade smoothing results from the comfort of your home, emphasizing a mild formula free from aggressive chemicals. This approach really caught my attention. The application process requires some patience. Start by washing your hair, then apply the solution to individual sections. To seal the treatment, you will need to blow dry and use a flat iron. While the steps are straightforward, being meticulous ensures the best outcome. If this is your first time trying a smoothing kit, I recommend viewing a guide beforehand. Once finished, my hair felt incredibly silky and much more refined. Although my natural waves remained, the frizz was significantly reduced, leaving my hair glossy and simple to manage. The most impressive change is how it handles humidity. My hair no longer swells up in damp weather, which is a huge plus. These results are quite durable if you maintain a gentle hair care routine. I suggest using sulfate-free shampoos and avoiding excessive heat from styling tools. For those with brittle or dry hair, proceed with caution and perform a strand test before a full application. Ultimately, is it worth the effort? If you are looking for sleek, frizz-free hair that is easy to style without the salon price tag, this is a great option. It won't permanently alter your hair texture, but it certainly provides a more controlled and sophisticated look.